Hi, good morning, sir.
Hi, you okay? You right?
Everything is okay. Where are you from?
United Kingdom.
United Kingdom. One simple question. How do you build wealth? Have you got any suggestions?
I come to the exhibitions.
Uh-huh.
So today I'm in KBC.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I'm in Domotex, Shanghai.
Wow. Domotex for the carpet. The carpet one.
That is part of Mega China.
Yeah.
Built China.
Yeah.
So I'm in that tomorrow.
Uh-huh.
So I come to the exhibition for sourcing, going
Yeah.
to factories, make relations, and then place orders. Really.
You are pretty busy. What is your suggestion for getting rich, for building wealth?
For building wealth, if you really want a business,
Uh-huh.
you want to come to the exhibitions.
Wow.
See the factories direct.
Yeah, absolutely.
Then you get to meet them. You know what the products are. Some people just come to China and they think they're going to find the factories. It's hard to find the factories.
Yeah.
Come to the exhibitions. All the factories are here together because a lot of these factories probably are some are near Shanghai, some are near Guangzhou.
Wow.
So you get to see all of them.
Yeah, absolutely.
At one place. And wherever you choose, then you can go visit the factories. Make relationships, really. Before you do anything, make relationship.
Perfect.
And then do your due diligence. Like for the UK, we look for certifications, how they import, export to the UK. And after that, if everything is okay.
Thank you very much for your insights. Have a great time in Shanghai. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.